Hello, this is Monique Somerville, and I work in the investment banking industry, and I am also an author. I just finished attending the boot camp with Taria Avant, and let me tell you, I was able to get my manuscript done in 3 days. Can you believe that? In 3 days. The boot camp was fantastic. I'll tell you what I learned. I learned that I had to be coachable. Taria has the blueprint, and it's best to follow her instructions. And I also formed a bond with the other ladies that were in the group. We formed a sisterhood, formed a Facebook group to keep each other accountable. So that's how I was able to finish my manuscript in 3 days. I also pre-sold more than 10 copies of my book. I'll tell you, this was a great event, and I will definitely sign up again. So here's the title of my book. Get this. It's 6 Figures and Still Broke. 7 secrets to help you instantly stop living paycheck to paycheck. And if you'd like a copy of that book, just go on over to my website, www.sixfiguresstillbrokebook.com. I hope to see you there. You need this book. Take care. Bye-bye.